Welcome and thanks for watching The Walk with Al. Today we're going to show you how to have a little bit more fun out here at the range using something called the Big Blast Caps. Now, supposedly you can put up to 80 pounds of air pressure in this 2-liter bottle and up to 50 pounds of air pressure in this little thin wall pop bottle. And this is the caps. You get 12, I think, 10 or 12 of these in your pack. And you can order these online. And it's got a manual and it tells you. Now, it says 50 pounds for thin wall bottles and 80 pounds for 2-liter bottles. So you're going to need an air compressor. And it comes with the little attachment in here to put the air in. And you're going to need one with a gauge. This is a little battery powered. And it comes with this little bag. You put your bottles in it so it won't explode in your face, supposedly. So we're going to get set up here and we're going to show you how to do this. Then we're going to bust some of these and pull the cameras up close so you can see the action. So stick with us. Don't go away. We'll be right back. This is going to be fun, I think. We're ready to do this. Now, what we've done to make it a little bit more fun, they say you can add flour or chalk, white chalk, 1/4 to 1/2 a cup, put it down in here, and when it explodes, you have a bigger explosion. We're going to see. We're going to see if it even works. Okay, and we've tried some red chalk, and we're going to put in one, and some white flour in the other. Okay, we're going to show you how to do this. Just simply, we just take a bottle, the funnel, and simply put your chalk in. Start working it in there. Until you get, and this was a 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup. And you get that in there. Then you screw your Big Blast cap on. Tighten it down. Now, what we've done, we've noticed when you tighten these down, if you've still got the little rings on the pop bottle, we cut them off so it'll snug down on there good, because you want it to stay good and tight and, make sure it's not leaking. Then you simply put your air compressor in, and then you shove it down in this little bag. And then you turn your air compressor on and watch the pressure go up. So almost to 70. And that bottle's getting pretty big. Okay, we're at 80 pounds. Now, guys, it actually held, and it's in here. And don't want to touch it too hard because it's liable to go off. We've got 80 pounds of air pressure in this bottle, and it's as tight as a banjo string. All right, we're going to fill up a few more, put them out here at the range, and then we're going to shoot them, and you're going to see them explode up close and see if this actually works. Be back in a minute. that was better than what I expected. That first bottle, when I pulled that trigger, it exploded up. It was louder than the 9mm carbine going off. The explosion from the plastic bottle, I mean, the jug, when it busted, a cloud of smoke went everywhere, a big pop. I mean, that was okay. The lid from the red powder, it flew plumb out at my pickup at 35 yards. I finally found it. The white one, same way. Big cloud of smoke from that, the dust. And now this little one, I mean, the small bottles, the water, I really didn't like that as much. I would recommend putting the powder in these two, about 1/4 cup. I mean, you're going to get that big cloud of smoke when you pull that trigger and all that air pressure exploding up. So, guys, this was fun. I'm telling you, the big blast caps. And you can get these online and at most of your local sporting goods and stuff. I mean, they carry them. I've seen them around. So I highly recommend it. You're going to have some fun out at the range, and it's something different to do. And if you get way off, you're going to see that cloud of smoke when you pop that. I mean, 150 yards away, you're going to see the cloud of smoke. So, hey, try it out. I think you're going to like it. And guys, I hope this is as much fun for you as it was for me to bring it to you. And guys, give us a big thumbs up if you liked the video. And we thank you for all your views and comments. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you the next time on The Walk with Al. Thanks for watching.